Welcome back. Now news from sports. The Goa Football Association is excited about 2011-12 I-League season. It will be the first of its kind organizational style this year, with all 4 participating clubs taking part in the administrative matters. Entertainment programs, free entry to students and promotional schemes have been outlined. The GFA, in its efforts to pull maximum people to the stadium, has also sorted out the parking issues. Overall, there is a never-seen-before kind of a buzz around the I-League.
The GFA President and Organising Committee Chairman Srinivas Dempo, along with his colleagues, briefed the media on Wednesday about various arrangements at the stadium.
GFA has just discussed a policy whereby students with uniforms can come in a group and watch the matches. We have made club officials responsible to handle them of each organising club that plays on that day. But we'd like to encourage young people to come and watch the match. We've also talked about, individual clubs have talked about seeing the possibility of having some entertainment for the spectators at large. So you see there is a gradual improvement in the thought process of clubs, be it in terms of promotions on the tickets, be it in terms of organizing entertainment, be it in terms of organizing hospitality. So all in all, we expect this I-League to be much better than last year. Another highlight is to maintain discipline. The executive committee, the SAG has promised us that the CCTV cameras will be operational from day one. So, there will be enough evidence if somebody is trying to create nuisance and indiscipline where the entry points are concerned. There is enough evidence built who is creating that nuisance so that proper action could be taken along with evidence.
This is the parking arrangement on the match days at Nehru Stadium.
Gate number 2 and 3, 1 hour before the match, there will be no entry of vehicles, whether it is 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers. All entry will be from gate number 4. Vehicles, 2-wheelers and cars will be allowed through gate number 4 on the north side until the parking is full. Once parking is full, no more entry, and parking will be strictly by passes, car passes.
Broadcasters' kick-off timing of 3:30 p.m. could prove a bit uncomfortable given the harsh temperatures prevailing in the state. However, the real football lovers are expected to overcome this minor issue. Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Goa Ranji coach Vivek Kolamkar feels lack of concentration at crucial points has led to Goa's poor showing in the Syed Mushtaq Ali 2020 tournament in Chennai. Goa has been handed 3 losses on the trot in the tournament so far. With this results, Goa are more or less out of the tournament, but efforts are on to improve upon last year's showing, where Goa had won only 1 out of their 5 matches.
You see, we haven't done too much bad in these games. You see, our first match, we lost just because of those last 4 overs where we gave in 65 runs. Coming to back to the second match against Tamil Nadu, we had scored 188, but again, the 2 overs what we bowled lose the momentum. So the things are very positive, but it's like winning what matters finally.
Third match, the boys at least would have been a little more confident to go out there and perform better and win the match.
Yeah, it's like, see, we got a good start. Initially, for 6 overs, we had scored 57 for loss of 2 wickets. But this time around, the lower order batsmen didn't click. So we had very little, 130 was very little score on that wicket to defend. It's like first 2 matches, our bowlers did bad for those limited time. And the third match, it was batsmen's bad performance.
Vivek is trying his best to combine the batting and bowling performances to ensure Goa win the remaining 220 matches.
We had a long meeting yesterday and I spoke to the boys. Looking at all those 3 matches, it's the little part in the match where we have lost the momentum. So I've told them to concentrate all those. 2020 is a game wherein we cannot afford to lose our focus throughout, whether it's we are bowling or batting. So I told them to be focused all those 40 overs. We have to be on our toes. then only we can win the matches. We are looking forward to win both the matches because you see we had good batting at certain stage and good bowling show at certain point of time against 2-3 teams now. So we are looking forward to combine everything and give us a full, complete 100% effort in the remaining 2 matches and come home with at least these 2 wins.
Our reporter Nikhil Pereira with Bureau Inputs.
Avdumbar Hede had a great run in the Volkswagen Polo Cup 2011, but his fellow Goan Donovan Vaz is treating the event as a learning experience. The Madgaon-based led in languishing in 16th place in the championship standings with 119 points. However, race 2 of round 5 saw Donovan notch up his best performance of the season, finishing in 8th in Chennai. However, the Rocky driver has not lost heart and hopes to be back next year as a championship contender.
23-year-old Donovan Vaz was over the moon when his entry was accepted by Volkswagen Motorsport earlier this year for the Polo Cup. But things have not gone in his favour as he would have liked them to. Donovan lies in 16th place after 5 rounds of the Polo Cup, but has finished more races than other racers placed below him. You and Avdu came over here and you guys started as equals, and Avdumbar has managed to perform better than you. All the media attention goes towards him, and then Donovan feels maybe a little bit on the back foot. How do you deal with it mentally? Because every round you come, you must be feeling, okay, there's nowhere to go from here but up. So how do you deal with it?
I mean, that's the only thing that's keeping me going, because I've hit rock bottom and the only place is up now. So it is disappointing that I am where I am, but I mean, this is my first season. I mean, this is my first kind of racing, first time racing in any kind of season championship. So that's where I am. But I mean, with Avdumbar getting all the media attention, I mean, he deserves it.
After the Polo Cup, if not the Polo Cup, if you don't win it, what does Donovan Vaz plan from here on? And stick with racing, or this has been a demotivating experience for you?
It is, definitely. I mean, the experience that I've got here is second to none. I will definitely, I mean, if my budget permits me, I will definitely take part in either the Polo Cup here in India or the Audi Cup again, because they are planning on having the Audi Cup next year. So again, if my sponsors really back me again, definitely.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Shan from the MMRC track in Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.